Good morning for me. Quite gloomy, but not Peterborough. So this is just another episode, part whatever you want to call it, on this water feature. So this is where we are at the moment. My mate's completely emptied all the Scottish cobbles all the way around just to get rid of them, and we've got another pile of flattish stone. There's about a dozen pieces there, so we're going to add them, and then we're going to gradually use stone until we've covered up all this liner, and with the best will in the world try and make it look natural. I don't think you're ever going to make it look natural against a brick wall, but we'll really try our best. The water is absolutely crystal clear, the sound is absolutely beautiful. So, see how we go on. He'll be back shortly with some more stones. So, Nigel's got a few more stones, and we've now got to this position. He's just now barrering a load of gravel just to fill in the gaps, but this is where we are. So, according to the experts, these are wing walls all the way around, so it takes away the uniformity of just running the stones either side of the water. So hopefully when we put the gravel in, we're going to cover up a lot more sins. We've just been a bit arty-farty with some bark and a bit of tree, whatever. But yeah, coming on. So far so good. Right, it's finished. So a few things you've got to bear in mind is A, I've never done anything like this before. B, we didn't dig down, we had to rise up with sandbags on a concrete base, which was tough going at times. I wanted to make this look like a broken wall where the water had pushed through and knocked it down. Nigel said he has seen streams similar to this on the west coast of Scotland. I've not been to the west coast of Scotland. Apparently it's beautiful, so we're both happy. We have got a few gaps in some stones over on the left hand side. That's because he still needed access to his grate, and we're going to lose the tap that's on the wall, so that won't be an eyesore. But here we go. So there you go. It hasn't taken a lot of money. It does sound nice. We've introduced Scottish cobbles because Nigel's wife is Scottish. The sump is under here. You can just see one or two areas where you can see the mesh. We can see a little bit of liner, but we're not getting too precious over that. Life's too short. This tap we're going to lose. This fitting we're going to get rid of. The tap is going lower down in order to top up. There are gaps in this area because there is the drain underneath. The drain's got a plastic cover on, but every so often he said he needs access to it. So this is the bottom of the two waterfalls. I'll shut up so you can listen to it. So there you go, Nigel was my best man at the wedding. This is something we've been wanting to do. He's got himself a lovely deck that we both built. Well, actually Nigel built, because my shoulder's not working too well. So when he sits on his deck, this is what he can look at. And for the first time, I don't think that's too bad at all. Anyway, thank you for your continued support. Thank you for watching. And take care.